Another day, another RTR video. Actually, a double RTR video, as you can tell by the thumbnail. But let's go right up to the cafe, meet up with my buddy Ra, and check out his new ETM RTR fully custom. All right, guys, and we are pulling up to the cafe. Time to check out another RTR. One of what I believe right now is 3 RTRs in the city. I have one way Lil Man has one, and my buddy Ra, who's we're checking out now, which is all custom. So there he is. There he is. There she is. Damn, that looks crazy. What's up? Let's see this thing. All right, guys, we're here with Ra with the first ever chrome RTR that I've ever seen. Let's hear you talk about it, Ra. What you think?
Best bike you can get right now. That's out right now. It's got it chromed up. Got some supermotors, upgraded chain, waiting for the controller, and the motor right there.
So you're gonna get the mod motor and controller once it comes out.
Yep.
You got the supermoto wheels just like mine has. This thing looks crazy though. Full wrap, like carbon fiber vinyl wrap, right? Damn, that's crazy.
Boy Cardi.
All right, we got Rook, the master builder. Tell us about this build, Rook.
So he reached out to me and he told me that he wanted to wrap the plastics in chrome. And I was telling him that, you know, the chrome, see like this piece right here? Yeah, the chrome wouldn't sit right on it. So I said, you got to get this vivid vinyl wrap. That's the only wrap that I work with. And then he's like, how about we chrome the frame? And I was like, yeah, just make sure you chrome the swing arm too. So I took the whole bike apart, sent it to the shop, the frame, the swing arm, the subframe. And then 3 weeks later, he came back with the frame, and then I put it together in about like 4 or 5 hours.
And you wrapped all the plastics too, right? Yeah.
And I wrapped all the plastics. And hey, I even wrapped the battery too.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
It's clean.
It's but then we I noticed that the front brake, one of the piston was kind of slanted on the side, so it wasn't like it got stuck. So I had to open the caliper and like hit it and fix it. And I just put the front brake back on it today.
But she's properly dialed now. It feels good. Feels just as good as mine, if not better. But it's crazy to see like pretty much stock except for supermoto wheels and handguards versus fully custom. What you can do to an RTR is pretty nuts.
I don't know, bro. Like the swing arm is like the best looking thing.
No, that's my favorite part because there's so much metal and it's just so reflective.
Yeah, the best looking thing.
He's gonna have to polish that thing every ride though. Yeah. But it looks sick. Nice work, dude.
Appreciate it, bro.
And you work on bikes, right? Shout out your
Yeah, it's KRE Bikes on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. It's KRE Bikes. So just reach out to me.
Yeah, so if you're in the Philly area, you need help on your e-bike, you're a worm mechanic like me, hit up Rook. He can do all this type of shit, get you dialed. That's a fully custom built.
This is my custom build right here. It's a Stowe Bomber.
Yeah, so he knows what he's doing, unlike some of us here. So he also just literally bled brakes in his parking lot for A-Rob over there. So
bike is looking dope, bro. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of the chrome.
Now the chrome looks crazy. The wrap came out super clean because these wraps are also really hard to do. But I don't see anywhere where it's like it looks like it's like wrinkled or anything. It sucks to do it. I've tried it and I can't.
So the corner here is where the problem was, and most likely in here, that curve right here.
Yeah.
Especially this.
And you just use a heat gun and everything.
Yeah, heat gun, bare hands, and the bank card.
Nah, it looks sick, dude. Came out great. Hit up KRE Bikes for any of your e-bike needs if you're in the greater Philadelphia area. Guys, it's not just the outside. Whole frame, all chrome. Looks crazy good. And this is where Rob puts his speaker under the seat. That's where I've got my toolkit under mine. But crazy build.
I'm about to show Connor something real cool.
Ooh, speaker built in.
It's the battery. That's the subwoofer. That's the step down converter. That's the bird nest. That's the charging port right here.
That's crazy.
That's the control for the Bluetooth speaker, and it also has a rechargeable battery in this. So I have the Type C and the regular USB.
Oh shit, that's so sick,
here,
actually.
So I could just plug this right here and charge my speaker.
Whatever you want, GoPro.
Yeah.
All right, Ra. Well, I gotta say, it looks freaking sweet. This just shows you guys how much you can customize these things. Again, it's a fully like chrome frame and swing arm, all the way down to the freaking ignition here, chromed out. Then you have the wrap all the way around. Let me know what you guys think of the wrap. You can see like these are two completely contrasting bikes. You have the black and chrome, and then you just have the all white with some black on it as well. Both have supermotos, both the RLV chain from Electro Co. Use code ConnorG below, obviously, to save. But this thing looks so crazy good. It's truly like pick your poison between the two of these. Guys, I was trying to steal Ra's bike right now. I got my key. Electro Co's thinking, because my key doesn't work in this bike. All right, guys. Well, we did the RTR video. Now we're going to actually go ride them.